it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl, and today we have a fun video. We are going to be testing out the AlbaChem Vinyl Liftoff Remover. Now, they have two different sizes in this product. They have this smaller size that looks like this, and then they also have a larger bottle. It's still a white background, but the green on it is like a forest green, and then it just says VLR with all the rest of the same information, and the VLR stands for vinyl letter remover. The other bottle just looks more industrial. Now, I do have both of the bottles linked down below on Amazon in my Amazon store. Now, remember, if you do purchase from that link, it is affiliated, so I do earn a small commission. But I was interested in trying this out because this is supposed to remove pretty much any vinyl lettering from any garment. Now, there are some exceptions, and it says do not use it on any type of acetate fabric. I'm not exactly sure what that means. It also says avoid all sources of ignition. This is a highly flammable chemical. You should keep it out of the reach of children. And you need to make sure to check AlbaChem's website, which is right here, right there. Let's put that in front of my face so it'll focus. There we go. AlbaChem is the brand. You do want to go to AlbaChem's website to make sure you know all the ins and outs of this product, but I just kind of wanted to talk about it. Now, again, you need to wear gloves when using this. If you get it on your skin, wash immediately. If you get it in your eyes, make sure you follow the instructions because, again, this is a caustic chemical. But we're going to get into how to use it and what I think. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we will go over how to use this. So as you can see, I have my shirt laid out, which says "Tonight we fly with a broom." Now, before we jump into using AlbaChem, this file is available on my Patreon page for my $4 or more a month Patreon supporters. So I placed these two extra dots on here so we can test it out and see how it looks, how it removes, all that kind of stuff. So we've got the Thermoflex Plus by Specialty Materials in black and the Specialty Materials Brilliant Deco Film in purple. So, first things first, we want to take our shirt and turn it inside out. Not completely, it doesn't have to be complete, but we do want it inside out. So, well, I mean, I guess I couldn't make it complete, but it's okay. So, I've got my gloves to use for this. And I have already opened the container of vinyl Liftoff. So how you do that is you remove this cap and you poke inside. See how you got a hole? And then you reapply that and take this off. And it's got a tiny little hole in there. So I'm gonna apply our gloves. And let's take a look and see where our dots are. So we've got our first dot right here. Let's see if I can hold it up so you can see through the light. I'm not sure if you can see that from that side. Yeah, you can. So you can see that dot right there. So the first thing we're going to do is take the AlbaChem, the vinyl Liftoff, and we're going to apply a generous amount on the back side and let that soak through so you can see that it's on that dot. And then we're going to do the same thing down here with our other dot. Where did it go? Right there. I probably should have chose a thinner shirt, but I didn't. So again, we're going to apply a generous amount and let it soak, okay? It doesn't have to soak for long. So while that's sitting there, we're gonna go ahead and flip our shirt front ways again. There we go. flip it around so you can see what I am doing. Okay, so while that is kind of soaking in to the fabric, the next thing you need to do is to take around where you're wanting to remove it, kind of stretch out your fabric, and that kind of helps loosen the adhesive. So as you can see, you can hear it lifting already. So I have 2 pairs of tweezers here. I'm not sure if I'll need the sharper ones, but that way to kind of get underneath and lift it. Now I think I got these tweezers, a set of these, from Harbor Freight, if I remember correctly. So again, I've got to lift this off, if I can get a hold of it. It's very hard to work on camera when you've got gloves on, but there we go. Got to get a hold of it. There we go. First dot off. That was pretty quick and easy, don't you think? And let's see, I think this one will be, see how much easier that one is? Because it's more plasticky. There we go. So, it's pretty much that easy. Now, when you're through removing the lettering off of here, if there's any spots left, any residue, you take and apply more, this time from the front, okay? And you take a microfiber towel, because this will help to keep your shirt from peeling up, and you just kind of go back over and wipe away any residue that's left over. And then once that's dry, you can apply more over the top of that spot. Now, I don't know how well this will work on doing a bigger portion of a shirt, but so far this is actually really good. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is typically every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As you know, I've been dealing with some health issues, so they haven't been as frequent, but they will. But I guess that's it, so we will see y'all later. Bye.